Huygen said that instead of looking at light as rays, we are now going to start looking at light as waves. And instead of looking at like waves like transverse and longitudinal as we know of them now, in his time, they thought of waves as water waves. You know, like how waves propagate in water. So he imagined waves as those wavelets that go forward in time. So his principle states that light is a series of pulses emitted from each point of a luminous object, and it propagates as particles of ether, which is an elastic material that fills all space. So they imagined that the entire universe was filled with this material called ether, and through which the waves of light propagate forward. He also said that each point of light is capable of emitting more light. As light propagates forward, it just creates more and more and more light as it goes forward. Okay, so he imagined that each point of the propagating disturbance is capable of originating new pulses that contribute to the disturbance an instant later. And now we know there's no ether. It doesn't propagate that way, but the beauty of this statement is that it helps you prove the law of reflection and refraction, even though fundamentally it's not correct. Okay, so what he said was, as a plane wave propagates forward, there are these little wavelets that give rise to more wavelets. That give rise to more wavelets, that give rise to more wavelets. So it just propagates forward. And for a spherical or a circular wave, it kind of goes like this. Just radiates outwards. So this is for a plane wave, and this is for a spherical wave. That's the point, and that's the wave that starts propagating. Sort of like that.